Hello and welcome to my miniature sketchbook tour. This is a miniature sketchbook not made by me but made by Zenzo Watercolours. She makes lovely little books. And I started off with just testing some colours to see how they layered. This was in preparation for a class I did on using layering to create nice looking flowers. Two very different styles here. This was painted, this was the view out of my car window when I was waiting for my daughter to finish a class. And this was also a view out the window, but I decided to make it more abstract. I think I prefer this one, but there's elements of them both that I like. This is some flower practice, bluebells, and then a bit of scenery. I don't know if you can see, but there's a teeny weeny little dragon there. This was more practice at landscapes. This is a sort of moody view of a hill, adding in some colour, some sort of bright colours to see how that worked. And this was first a gradient from pink to yellow, which was what the sky looked like, and then I added in the skyline. If you know it, this is really recognisable from the top of Calton Hill, which I can see from my window. This was a pond. And this is something I could see from my window. This is Arthur's Seat in Edinburgh, some clouds and a bird. Just experimenting with landscapes here. This is definitely my favourite of the landscapes I did. I love how the colours play here and sort of how moody and atmospheric it looks. This I made as part of a little, I think it was an Instagram live that one of my art friends was doing. It was all about playing with dispersion, and that was fun. This is more flower practice. This was lavender and some spatters to give it a bit of life. These were flowers in my back garden. And hydrangea from my back garden. I love hydrangea, I've painted them in different ways many times. And last but not least, some cherry blossoms.